Have you heard about the Energy Revolution system and wondered if it's actually worth your time, or if it's just another product making big promises? That's exactly what we're going to cover today. Instead of sitting through the full sales presentation, here's a straightforward overview to help you decide whether it's the right fit for you. The Energy Revolution system is presented as a digital guide focused on helping people learn an alternative approach to reducing household electricity costs. According to the manufacturer, it explains how to build a compact energy-related system using commonly available components and step-by-step instructions. One thing that immediately stood out to me is that this isn't a physical device shipped to your home. It's a digital program that includes guides, diagrams, and instructional material. That's an important distinction because some buyers expect to receive a ready-made product, which isn't the case. Another common question is whether the claims made in the sales presentation are realistic. The video uses a dramatic storyline, but it's helpful to separate the marketing from the product itself. What you're purchasing is access to educational material that explains the company's proposed system and how it is intended to work. If you're interested in learning about energy-related DIY concepts and don't mind following step-by-step instructions, this program may be worth exploring. On the other hand, if you're expecting an instant, plug-and-play solution, it may not match your expectations. It's also worth mentioning that results can vary depending on your skills, your local regulations, the materials you use, and your individual situation. Like any educational program, applying the information is part of the process. One positive aspect is that the Energy Revolution system has been around for a while, which suggests it has held up over time. If you decide to learn more, I recommend using only the official website linked in the description. That helps ensure you're accessing the latest version, any available bonuses, and the official customer support. Hopefully, this review helped you better understand what the Energy Revolution system actually is and what you should realistically expect before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.